I have the RedMagic 10 Pro here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the default camera application from the phone, and then I'll get into an app that will let you launch a different camera application whenever you press on the power button twice in a row. I've been using the RedMagic 10 Pro as a daily driver for the last few weeks, and I've been trying to solve some of the random issues that are present in Nubia's Android firmware. One of the issues that I had been experiencing was from how the default camera app was set up. On most Android phones, performing a double press action on the power button will launch a camera application. And if you don't have the default camera app installed, then an app picker will appear from the bottom of the screen so that you can choose a different camera application. So, Nubia has things set up a little different with their RedMagic OS, as they offer a way to launch the camera when you slide the dedicated hardware button on the side here. But that's even set up in a way that will only launch the default camera app. And even after you uninstall that and then have a third-party option available from the Google Play Store, there still isn't a way to launch that camera app when you use the dedicated slider that Nubia has in their RedMagic OS firmware. But after a bit of research, I was able to figure out a way to get that camera picker to appear. But I'm not launching it with the slider on the side. I actually have that set up for toggling Do Not Disturb mode. Instead, I have found the way to activate any camera app that you want on these RedMagic phones by pressing the power button twice in a row. The process to get this going is rather long though, so be sure to stick with me all the way to the end. The first thing that I recommend you do is uninstall the default camera application. You could try to disable it by bringing up the app info page if you wanted, and you can do that by long pressing on the application icon for that default camera app, tapping on the little eye icon, and then looking to see if there is a disable button from up here. But I used an application called Kanta that lets me uninstall bloatware from Android phones and tablets. And I use this with the help of Shizuku since I do not have this device rooted right now. So, in an attempt to prevent this video from being longer than it needs to be, I'll have dedicated guides linked down below to help you get caught up with what's required here. For example, I'll have the Shizuku install guide that I have using wireless ADB linked down below, and you'll need to follow that video if you are unable to get the Shizuku service up and running on your own. I then have a dedicated guide on how to use the Kanta application to remove pre-installed apps, so you'll need to follow that guide if you aren't familiar with how to uninstall specific apps using the Kanta app. And I'll have both of these linked down below in the pinned comment here as well, so that they are easy for everyone to find. But the goal here is to launch Kanta with the help of Shizuku, find the default camera app, here's the package name in case you need some assistance, and then uninstall it with the help of Kanta. As you can see, it is uninstalled here. Or you could just search for the word camera, and that should filter just about everything else out. With that done, the next thing that you need to do is use an application called System UI Tuner to enable that power button shortcut that I mentioned earlier. This is another app that uses the Shizuku service so that we can avoid rooting our phone. And the app is downloaded for free from the Google Play Store. Once you open it, it will require you to grant it a few permissions and then grant it access to Shizuku before it gives you access to this menu. But the onboarding process is rather straightforward. So just follow along and then you'll get to a screen like this. Once you have the app ready to go, tap into the user interface category from this menu here and then scroll through this list to find the camera gestures feature. When we tap onto here, we have a few toggles that we can adjust. And I had originally only enabled the double tap power button toggle. But coming back into this application, I see that both of these have been enabled. So go ahead and try that if you're running into any issues getting this shortcut up and running. But once this toggle has been enabled though, you should be able to bring up that camera picker from Android by double pressing on that power button. Naturally, I have already picked the default camera app, so no need to adjust anything from there. And you can see, quickly pressing the power button twice will launch that camera app that I have set up. Having quick access to at least a moderate quality camera is pretty important in my daily life. I was not happy with how the default camera performed on the RedMagic 10 Pro, but with the price Nubia is charging for this Snapdragon 8 Elite phone with its internal cooling built in, I was more than okay with that sacrifice. Especially considering that I've dealt with this issue on many Xiaomi and Redmi phones in the past. And I'm not against installing a Gcam port from the Android community either. I have this port installed right now, and I'll have this APK file linked down below. So while it is not perfect, at least I'm able to take a quick photo using the main camera sensor and have the results look much better than the stock application. Just be aware that this is not a perfect drop-in replacement. It's just good enough for me right now until I find the better Gcam port with the proper configs to unlock all of the camera sensors on the phone. But I do hope this guide was able to help any of you with RedMagic phones from Nubia who are not happy with the performance of the default camera app. I appreciate you all for sticking with me to the end of this video. It really means a lot to see folks watching all the way to the end. And please, do not forget to give this video a like while also subscribing to the channel for more Nubia RedMagic tips like this.